Hey everyone, welcome to the SS Academy. In this video, I want to give you information about HTML. And we're going to talk about what is HTML, what HTML stands for, and etc. etc. So guys, let's get started. First of all, HTML is the abbreviation and stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Let's talk about what is hypertext. A hypertext simply means text within text. A text has a link within it is a hypertext. For example, many times if you Google something, if you go to the Google and you saw in a website, they have a link. When you click on this link will forward you to another link, and that is actually the hypertext. Okay, and I can say that hypertext is a way to link two or more web pages with each other. So we talked about hypertext. Let's see, HTML is standard markup language for creating web pages. If you don't know anything about web pages, let me talk to you about. A web page is a document which is commonly written in HTML and translated by a web browser. A web page can be defined by entering an URL. A web page can be of the static or the dynamic type. What I mean by dynamic or the static, I mean, for example, with the help of HTML and only HTML, we can create static web pages. Okay, we're gonna talk about this later. HTML describes the structure of web page. HTML consists of series of elements, and you can call these elements also tags. We're going to talk about in the next lecture about the elements. And HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. Okay, and in other words, I can say that HTML is language that is used to define layouts for web pages. We can define those layouts using things called tags, and I said here tags also called the elements. Okay guys, let me give you basic information about the HTML more. HTML, I think that HTML is very easy and simple language. It can be easily understood and modified. It is easy to make an effective presentation with HTML because it has a lot of formatting tag. Okay, we're gonna talk about tag in the next lecture. Okay, let's continue. It is a markup language, so it provides a flexible way to design a web page along with the text. It facilitates programmers to add a link on a web page by HTML tag, so it enhances the interest of browsing of the user. And I can say that HTML is a platform-independent language because it can be displayed on any platform like Windows, Linux, Mac, or etc. It facilitates the programmer to add graphics, videos, and sounds, also pictures to the web page, which makes it more attractive and unattractive. And the last of all, I can say that HTML isn't case-sensitive language. If you know any programming language like Java or the Python or the maybe SQL, you can already know what is case-sensitive. For example, in the HTML, you can write here the HTML like this, or you can write here HTML like this, because case doesn't matter here. You can use uppercase or the lowercase. Okay, that is why HTML isn't a case-sensitive language. Okay guys, I gave you basic information about HTML. In the next lecture, we will start to learn our tags and we will see the bone of web pages. So let's finish this lesson here. Let's see you in the next video.